Hello, and welcome back to our channel. As everyone is aware, intermittent fasting relies on what to eat. So today we will look at what kind of food we should eat while intermittent fasting. So let's get started. Because our bodies use fat to generate energy during intermittent fasting, we require a large amount of energy to meet our body's needs. So here are some of the best foods to eat during intermittent fasting. High protein food. Protein is a nutrient that is essential for many bodily functions, including building and repairing tissues, maintaining muscle mass, and producing hormones. It is also a very satiating nutrient, meaning that it helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied after eating. This is why high-protein foods are often recommended for people who are trying to lose weight or control their appetite. During intermittent fasting, your body is in a state of ketosis, which means that it is burning fat for energy. This can lead to feelings of hunger and fatigue, especially if you are not eating enough protein. Eating high-protein foods can help to mitigate these effects by keeping you feeling full and energized. In addition, protein can help to preserve muscle mass during weight loss. Low-carb foods. Low-carb foods can help to keep your blood sugar levels stable, which can help to reduce hunger and cravings. Good sources of low-carb foods include vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, and it can also help to regulate your digestion. Good sources of fiber-rich foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. In addition to these general categories, here are some specific foods that are good to eat during intermittent fasting. Avocado. Avocado is a high-fat fruit that is also a good source of fiber. It is a great source of healthy fats, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are beneficial for heart health and weight loss. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is high in fiber and vitamins. It is a low-calorie food that is very filling. Oats. Oats are a whole grain that is high in fiber and protein. They are a great source of slow-burning carbohydrates, which can help to keep you feeling full and energized. Lentils. Lentils are a legume that is high in fiber and protein. They are a low-calorie food that is very filling. It is important to note that not all foods are created equal when it comes to intermittent fasting. Some foods, such as sugary drinks and processed foods, can spike your blood sugar and lead to hunger pangs. It is best to focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods during your eating window. I hope this gives you some ideas on what to eat when fasting. Also, eating is dependent on your body's requirements, so if you have a difficulty when fasting, even if you follow your eating routine, it is critical to consult with your doctor. So let's wrap it up here, and if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe.